So we've already been through the process of creating new text pages in Squarespace. Today we will go through the process of saving ourselves some time and duplicating existing posts. So if we've already got a structure that we're really happy with, we don't have to reinvent the wheel, start from scratch. Once you're logged into your admin, go to Pages. Then find the page that you want to duplicate. I've got a test page here in the Not Link section. And then move over and click on the cog icon. That should open up a new pop-up window, and from here there is a duplicate page option at the bottom of the menu. Click on that button, then click confirm. And as we can see now, it's created copy of new page. So choose a new name for it, press enter. It will always create copies of pages in the not link section, meaning that you don't have a page that's live on the website that shouldn't be. Once you've created your new page, you can then simply go in and start editing it as you would do with a blank page. The difference here is you don't have to reinvent the wheel and go through the full structure again. Finally, once you're happy with your page, you can then move it into the menu system by clicking and dragging without releasing the mouse button. I'm going to leave this in the not link section here.